Hey there folks, Chuck here, and I got a special delivery from Double B's Customs. You know him as Double B's Customs anyway, and you should be subscribing to him if you haven't already. But I know him as Brett, and he is a gentleman out of North Dakota who is doing some really cool customization videos on his channel, and you should definitely check him out. His link is in the description below. He's also one of my patrons, full disclosure. But he recently was out doing a little shopping with a collector that was looking to lighten his collection, and the guy had some stuff that Brett thought I'd be interested in. I told him a little bit about what I'm looking for, and so we're gonna take a look in here and see what he sent. So, and then I'm gonna get to my voiceover for the Porsche video that's due on Saturday, because gotta get that done. But thought I'd share these with you. Oh boy, I am excited already. Oh my gosh. Alright, what we got? We've got a disassembled Porsche Blackwell. That's cool. It's one of those interesting all-in-one type interiors. That would be a fun one to build. Looking forward to that. That's awesome. Thank you, Red. What else we got? A lot of ASMR in here. A lot of with the bubble wrap. Alrighty. This looks like a cool trailer. Don't know the brand. Oh, Majorette. Very cool. Oh, that's awesome. Might have to use this. I've got a project coming up this might be perfect for. We'll see. That is awesome. Ooh. Paul Restorer just did a couple of these bad boys, and he is amazing. He fabricates stuff like you wouldn't believe. You have to check out his channel too. I'll link to that in the description. A few other people have done these. I think Matchbox Mark did one too. But Paul Restorer actually cast this windshield and dash assembly from another Jeep and made a new one, and it looked just like the original factory. It was incredible. So that's very cool. So, there's definitely a lot of potential there. That's a goo. That's a fantastic casting. A lot of detail on the dashboard. Alright. Moving on. You know what this one is? This is the Morata Stalker. This is one of my favorites. So, this is classic Malaise Chrysler plus vintage NASCAR plus being a metal Blackwell era car. So, yeah, it's pretty much perfect. This one. More Malaise Hot Wheels fun. Oh, look at that. Still got the decal mostly in place. The tampos there. The old King Cobra Mustang. So this would be a 79 with that kind of the King Cobra badge that was only on 78 Mustang 2s and on the 79 for the first year. I'm guessing this goes with the Majorette trailer. That's very cool. Look at that horn assembly. Yep. Made in France. That's where the cone heads come from. That was a very old joke. It's awesome. What do we got here? Looks like we got an old Mercedes? Yep. Zilmax. I don't think I have any Zilmax yet. Mercedes 300 SE Hong Kong. That is cool. Love it. Love these weird castings with the off castings with their strange proportions and stuff. This looks like a Rolls Bentley. Maybe. Nope, Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow. With the opening boot, as they call it, over there. That's very cool. What era is this from? It's probably 70s. But that is very cool. So yeah, like I said, check out Brett's channel. Again, I'll be linking to it, and you can click the little thing up in the corner and check him out. This is a classic. I had this one when I was a kid. Mine was much more beat up though. 1985. It seemed for a while there it was a rule that you couldn't make a movie about cars without destroying one of these in it in the 70s and 80s. And this one's a classic. The Stutz Bearcat. Blackwall version. So it's all metal. That's awesome. What a strange car. Elvis allegedly said it was his favorite car of all the cars he owned. But then Elvis also had amazing taste in food too, so can't fault him there. And yes, for my collection of ugly off-brand square body trucks of these. Very fun. Made in Hong Kong. No other information needed. And last but certainly not least, one that's been on my hit list for a long time. The Cadillac Seville. This is like primo stuff I love. Early 80s, Malays, old American slow land yacht stuff. So cool. So, again, thank you, Brett. This is amazing. I really appreciate you keeping an eye out for me. And I owe you one, man. So thank you so much. Yeah, check out his channel. Subscribe to mine if you haven't already. Hit the bell icon so you can see all my fun builds and other weird unboxings of beat up old diecast cars that I find or get sent to me. And yeah, let's keep this thing rolling. So as always, I want to thank you for coming along with me for the ride. So until next time, stay fresh, cheese bags.